I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to learn maths subject. Come on, let's we learn now.
Hi cuties. Today we are going to learn the chapter number is 12. Lesson heading is patterns. Lesson heading is patterns. In the last class you learned something in patterns, no? Yes, particularly two types of patterns. Two types of patterns you learned, no, in the last class. What are they? Can you say that? Yes, very good. First one is growing pattern. Then second one is repeated patterns. First one is growing patterns and second one is repeated patterns. You learned this with some examples. Am I right, kids? In this class, in today's class, you are going to learn few more examples in the same headings. Okay. Growing and repeated patterns. You are going to learn few more examples. Okay, kids? Come on, let's learn that now. See, we can create various forms of patterns by using object kits. We can create various forms of patterns by using objects. So, first one is objects. Then second one shapes. Third one numbers. Then fourth one letters. Okay, objects, shapes, numbers and letters. Okay. See, first one object, second one shapes, third one numbers, fourth one letters. No. Okay, let's learn this. The sequence form patterns at home. We can see many things, particularly curtains, chair designs, iron grills, like that. No. See, in objects, for objects we can say the curtains and iron grills at home. Okay, iron grills. Iron grills are very fine example for this objects. Okay, then next one is shapes. You already learned this now? Yes. Triangle shape, then circle. Triangle shape, then circle. Triangle, circle. Triangle, circle. Triangle, circle. Okay. Then this is example for shapes. Then for numbers, 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that it will go again and again. Okay. Repeated again and again. Then letters. For letters example, U, letter U. Then inverted U. U, inverted U. U, inverted U. U, inverted U. U, inverted U. Okay. It's coming again and again now. Yes. This also called one type of pattern. Then in letters, see, in letters I can give few more examples. See, T, then inverted T, T, inverted T, T, inverted T, like that it will go. Okay, this is also one more example for letters. See, the letter is Z. Then reverse type. See here, reverse is Z, then reverse, reversely, okay, reverse is Z, is Z, then reverse is Z. Okay, this one is inverted, this one is reversed, inverted, inverted. See the letter, see this letters inverted. Here this one is reversed. Okay, stood up.
I hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for listening. Bye to all.